The world is suffering from wastages like wastages from food, plastics, papers, rubbers etc. and the wastages from used tires is one of the main challenge of the world. Based on the recent data, the world is producing over 2 billion new car tires per year. And more than 1 billion waste tires are generated. And this amount is huge for disturbing the natural environment and leads to environmental pollution, economic and social impacts also. Among the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, the management of waste tires or recycling business is directly related with SDG Goal number 12 or Goal of Sustainable Consumption and Production. And also, it is indirectly related with the SDG goals of number 11, 13, and 15. Because retreading or recycling of waste tires contributes for the protection of environment and climate change, and also it contributes for the clean cities development. In relation with this, the motto of Fukunaga Engineering is tireless pursuit of an environmentally friendly, sustainable business model which is fully motivated on environmental friendly business and matched with SDGs concerns. And its philosophies are 1. Continuous pursuit of environmental friendly business. 2. Create new businesses and innovative ideas through research and development. 3. Customers, employees, and shareholders' happiness and co-prosperity with local communities. Fukunaga Engineering is founded in 1994 as a metal recycling company in Osaka, Japan, and also has a branch in Hanoi, Vietnam. Fukunaga Engineering has been working on 3 different divisions mainly. 1. Soft bag division or manufacturing and selling of flexible container bags. 2. Close division or manufacturing and selling of puncture-proof tires for industrial vehicles. 3. Metal division recycling metal resources. And finally, the new ongoing project called tire retreading or recycling bus. The reason why we focus on developing countries like Ethiopia is because the ratio of using the retreading technology is very low in developing countries compared to advanced countries. And the problem or the challenge is high in poor countries from 3 different perspectives called economically, environmentally, and social impacts. Despite the increasing demand of using tires, based on our investigation we found the following challenges in Ethiopia. 1. Highly dependence on importation of. 2. Shortage of foreign currency. 3. Lack of awareness and limited capacity on using tire retreading technology. And the following videos, pictures, and graphs shows the images of the real situation of waste tire in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, the capital city of Africa. The images are taken just from the streets and in the compound of some companies. So, in order to solve the above critical problems of waste tires, JICA was proposed SDGs verification survey project to help developing countries like Ethiopia as a grant or technical cooperation. And based on the impact and importance at national level, the proposed project that should be implemented was tire retreading project. And the company, Fukunaga Engineering, was the one which selected to implement the project by cooperating with the government of Ethiopia. Regarding the technical process of the tire retreading technology, there are 9 steps or processes from the beginning up to the end. Step 1. Casings collection. It is a process of the beginning that worn tires collected and suitable retread casings selected. Step 2. Initial inspection. Trained specialists perform a visual, hands-on inspection from bead to bead inside and out. This is done to find and mark all visible injuries. Actual damage can be closely evaluated by looking through the tire and the crown and sidewall areas that may not be visible to the naked eye. This determines conditions within the casing, subjecting it to a vacuum while lasers measure surface anomalies. An animated visual of the anomalies determines casing condition. Step 3. Buffing. At this stage, the casing is inflated to its operational shape, and the process removes the worn tread surface, trues up the roundness and prepares the surface for a new tread. Step 4. Repair. At this stage, any damaged material identified during initial inspection is removed and repairs are made, and it essentially returning the casing to a useful life. Step 5. Applying cushion. An uncured bonding layer is extruded onto the prepared casing surface and all skives are filled. That means, the casing is ready for a new tread. Step 6. Building. In this step a new tread is automatically applied with attention to precise detail. The tread must be straight and perfectly centered on the casing. Step 7. Enveloping. This is the step that the assembled but uncured tire is encased in an elastic envelope and prepared for curing. Step 8. Curing. In this finalizing step, the curing chamber causes the bonding layer in the tire to cure and permanently adhere the new tread. Step 9. Final inspection. A visual, hands-on inspection is repeated to ensure the quality specifications are met. And this shows the whole image or structure of the installation of tire retreading process in order from the first step until the last 9th step. Finally, with a spirit of partnership and development, Fukunaga Engineering is calling for the business partnership and working together in order to expanding the business of environmentally friendly business in all direction of the world. Advancing technologies can be spread in the world even only when we are willing to share the experience and capacity each other, so that we can able to create the world which is suitable for all of us.